Into ekumele azenzele yona is not good taking somebody on. He received the ball, laying the ball. I think it's dangerous ngalo nto le. He received the ball, njengale ball. I think he mischarged the ball, the cross. I'm not too sure. So I think Munyane Solomon or bekaceda ukuphuma Munyane or whoever. It's a cross, one mischarger, one miskick. I mean, lashala kuye. Defenders they were looking there, but Oba not arrogant to go or finish with the weaker foot, which is right. Nyawulake, you can't say akusi Nyawulake. Well done to the boy, but integrand akusumuntu okwazi ukuthatha abantu mfana. Simple. Ukwazi une basic wena boy. Unali skills sokuma, which is team my leader. You can do those things. But you can't do those things in leader 1-0. You understand? But in the ends are right man. He received the ball, lay. Because if there's a space here, and whoever that is telling him them to do that, to Kaizer Chiefs, I think he must continue. Oguti, just support him. Every time he got the ball, they will be peddling. And then these guys they sit. Last week, who created a chance so, and then they finish. Now today we end Sereno, yeah. The confidence was not there, and then une basic ekran. The boy knows how to. He's technically very good. Agana speed. Akusumuntu okwazi ukulanda abantu. Iyo ngithi talent unalo ngihlale ngiphinda. Azange bamgelezise these things abo 1v1. Akusinto ayifundile and it's unfortunate said mfethu yambona uzijampile but a natural talent skill unaso mfana.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.